Hey there, CP. Walt Disney World CPs. So right now, I'm a part-time cast member. I live in kind of my cast member unit, 2x2 private, 2x2 private, 2 person. Um, in my CPA apartment, I can submit requests all that, and they get it fixed all that. But ever since I moved my new unit, went from a CP unit to my cast member unit, I can make a request, and I talk to this, or did all that, grab, contact them, all that, and they still haven't got this fixed. They still haven't got this fixed. They like, it's not turning on. It was working like when I moved in, and the TV still doesn't, the living room still doesn't work. Maybe I can try to get my roommate to submit request because who's not CP, he's just a cast member here. Maybe he will do it. I'm a part-time cast member now, but I still cannot make a request. I can't make a request, but I gotta figure out. I think I do. So CTs, I have 4 light bulbs. I use those 2 for my desk lamps. Here's how I actually remove it. Let me see, get good position. So, get good position. So this is how I actually remove one of these lamps. I mean, normally I assign the lease equipment, like we're not supposed to do service requests and things like that, but it's just change the light bulb. So you pull down one, just like cover. It's like really stick it up. When you pull down, watch this. See how I got it earlier? It's very tricky. Pull down, screw it off. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. Turn it counterclockwise, slow bring down. There you go. See that? And I could replace light bulb. So this is the one I bought is actually 60 watts light bulbs. I think LED. Yeah, they're LED. Okay, those are LED too. See, this is general electric cheap, but this on the 61. I might actually go back to Walmart or Publix to buy 100 watt or something. So I need to be quiet. I don't know what the Flamingo provided though, but this one I bought is 60 watts, but I probably go back and buy a bigger one because I save this 2 for later. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what you get here. Alright. Ba bing, ba boom. Alright, I'm gonna screw that back on. Alright, I mean, I know I signed a lease agreement, like we're not supposed to like service anything, but like, yeah, don't service anything, but this one is just changing the light bulb. I mean, normally I try to submit a request for Flamingo do it, but it doesn't even let me submit a request. And I already talked to Flamingo desk 2 times. I'm going to screw it back on, make sure, turn it right, clockwise, righty tighty, lefty loosey, just turn it right. Don't make it too tight though, because it's hard to take off, but you don't want it tight enough, because you don't want this fall down break. So I don't want that to be charged to my lease. I don't want to pay a fee for damage. There we go. That's all right. That's all you gotta do since the Flamingo not doing it. Ba bing, ba boom. And actually, I think it's probably before. Nah, I might change it again later. I might actually get me because I bought this for my little lamps, just my desk lamps. That wasn't belong to my old roommate. It just went I bought myself from Walmart. But I'll get me for the overhead light. I'm actually getting 100 watts, 120 watts or something. I need a little bit brighter because this is a 2x2. It's a private room, so it's a big ass room. So I probably need to get the. I probably need to get the. I need to get a brighter light bulb. I think I need 100 watts something. I mean for the desk lamps only need 60 watts, but I might double because I only need a low light when I'm about to go bed. But when I need to see if we will do things, I need 100 watts. Yo, there you go, Flamingo. I mean nobody lived in this unit before when I moved in. It's a cast member unit, But Flamingo, they put in dead bulbs. Either that, or they built this unit and then left the lights on or something, and it's dead. I moved in like it only like worked for a couple days and it's dead. I can't even submit because there you go. I just changed my own light bulbs. I don't think like I really violate the lease agreement in anyhow.